Hello traders, how was the day today? What a dump, right? So when I was looking at the market in the morning, the first thing that I do is I look at the 1 hour chart, and on the 1 hour chart we had these two bars, right? From 4 to 6 o'clock we had these two bars that happened, and this was actually telling me that since this has happened, there is a chance that we will get another leg down as long as we do not take out this 40 to 42 level, which was as yesterday I was describing, the 4 hour EMA. We broke down below that and came down to around 5628, 5629 area. So when we were here in the morning and we were looking at the 5 minute ETA chart, this was the kind of plan that we had, that if we get above this 3840 area, get above the 42, we take support here, then we can get back to the 64 69 areas again. However, if this 2-4 line breaks down, this was what was holding the whole price, right? So if we break down this 2-4 line, then we can come down to this 150799. And on top of that, if I was looking at this whole drop that happened earlier, then we can come down to this 5595 to the 5598 area, right? And we actually got much more than that. The other idea was, as we were talking yesterday, the ATR was at around 60 70 points. So when I counted that from the stop, I was coming to somewhere around 5600, and as 5600 broke, after that we got another 70 points to the downside. This was the complete trading range that got created during the ETH hours. Now, looking at this, you will see that this was a very tight trading range between 5-10 points, and most of the bars were below the EMA. So if we do not get two consecutive bars which are strong enough above the EMA, then there is a chance that this will actually drive the price down away from the EMA. And that is exactly what happened. Let us go back to the RTA chart now. So this was the 930 candle, and the 930 candle itself closed below the 24 line. I shorted there, and my first exit was in the 5589 area. I did come out of some of my contracts on the way, and then re-entered some contracts on the way. So we entered short below bar number 1 because that broke down that 24 line, and I already had the bearish bias in mind based on the hourly chart that we had. And once I shorted there, I did come out of my contracts right here at the 5605 area. Some of my contracts I was holding out to some more. This bar number 6 happened. I shorted again below bar number 6, and we came down to the 5588 area. This is where I took the final profit on the shorts. After that, we had 3 bars which went up. If you see here, this created a micro wedge right here, and then bar number 13 happened. We shorted again below bar number 13. I kept the top of bar number 13 as my stop loss, and I was targeting to see if now we can go and hit the daily EMA. So we hit the daily EMA at 5569, and that was another profit taking here for me. I did go long when we touched the daily EMA at this 5569, thinking that there will be at least a little bit of bounce, there will be some profit taking, and from here I came out at the 5576 area once again. I was not expecting a very big move up here until and unless I do see that. If you see, we had the high 1, we had the high 2, which was a very strong bar, and then we had this bar which went above the EMA, but we did not have any follow through. We came down this bar. The bulls who bought here at the top, they actually came out on this bar, and then this bar came and closed strong at the daily EMA once again, and then started creating a bear flag. And then candle number 54 came down. I actually took a chance and shorted at 5571 when it went up to the 5 EMA, and from there my first exit was at 66. I was looking at a measured move of this bar number 50, and my second exit was at 62, and then I held on to one of my contracts, and I finally came out at the 56 area. And after I came out at the 5-6 level, I did not trade any of these to the downside. So that was my last trade of the day. So if I want to summarize, we started shorting the close of bar 1. We took profit on the way. We added on contracts on the way and finally came out at the 8-9 area. After that, we had candle number 13. We shorted below candle number 13 again, and we exited at the daily EMA. And then we went short at the top of the candle number 53 again when it went and touched the 5 EMA. And then our exits were at 66, 62 and 56 areas. So those were all the trades that we took today. The morning plan worked out pretty well. The plan was if we come to 5607, there may be a bounce there. This was the bounce. And then as we started breaking it down, we came down to the next level, which was the 5600. I was thinking that from 5600, the price will bounce again, but the price did not bounce. It completely broke it down. So there was nothing to buy at this point of time. We came out at this balance area, but then this wedge and this strong candle number 13, we broke down this area, gave me confidence to re-enter the shorts at around 55.81, and then we got to the EMA, and then a little bit more after that when we crossed the daily EMA. So those were all the trades that happened today. Now if I am looking at the 4-hour chart and we are looking at the ET8 session, you will see there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 strong 4-hour bars, but as long as we are not going above the daily EMA, there is no chance that the price will be going up. We may go and retest that 55.69 area again, but then we may fall back again and give a second leg to this particular move that happened. So I will be coming back in the evening with the support and resistance areas and the trading plan for tomorrow. Also, if you are liking these videos, please like, comment, share on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icons, and I'll see you guys very soon. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye.